Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And to get started, when you boot it up the first time, you will be presented with a welcome screen, so choose your desired language by simply tapping on a text right over here and select it from the list. Now I already have the language that I want selected, so I'm just gonna click on the arrow and it will take me to the SIM insert page. So here I could insert a SIM card, or I can completely disregard this page. It doesn't really matter right now. So I'm gonna skip it. The moment you insert a SIM card, it will start working the way it's supposed to. Then the next page we have Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect to Wi-Fi if you have one that you can connect to. If you don't need to worry about it. You can simply skip it. Now by skipping it, a date and time won't be set automatically, and you also won't have the option to log into Google account throughout the setup, which still can be done later on after the setup is completed through settings. So as you can see, there's the automatic date and time. For some reason it's not correct. You can disregard this if you want to and just skip this, because when you connect to Wi-Fi it will automatically set the time correctly or fix it up. So this would kind of be a waste of time, but if you're not planning to connect to any kind of network or anything like that, then you might want to set it up manually. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the next page where we can insert the name. This step is optional. If you choose to leave this both of the fields empty, the device will name itself, which it will take the name of itself. So in this case it will be ALCATEL U3 or something along the lines of the U3. So I'm gonna go to the next page where we have the protection for a device. So if you keep this on, it will prompt you to set up PIN, pattern or password. And if you deselect this will mean that you will just skip adding some kind of screen lock. Now I'm gonna add one just to show you. So from here, choose if you want to go with a PIN, pattern or password. I'm gonna select the pattern. So from here, let's draw the pattern, continue, and redraw the same pattern once more and confirm. And this will automatically set it up. Now it also goes to the next page to ask you how you want to display notifications during when the device is locked. So you can show all notifications, hide notifications but show like the badges, or don't show any kind of notifications. So when the device is locked, with the last one, no one will be able to see any kind of notifications if you worry about that. I'm gonna keep it as it is and go to the next page. And here we have Google services, so we have location, scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. Now if you don't like these, you can disable them. You can also read exactly what they do by tapping on an arrow and expanding this super cramped little text. But like I said, you can disable them if you don't like it, like so. Go all the way to the bottom and tap on accept. And setup completed. So let's tap on finish, and there we go. And that is how you can go through the setup of this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.